On the New Zealand dollar against US dollar, this week the price has formed this bearish candle on the Monday, and which has been confirmed as a bearish breakout with the previous week with this Friday candle. Then the price did not continue to fall down, the price turned back up because something has happened on the market and the price has reached 0.61 resistance level, and we can see that the price has made a breakout to the upper side, which means a bullish breakout. On the weekly time frame, after the price has made a bearish breakout and confirmed this bearish breakout as the valid one within next week, this week the price will turn back up, which has formed this bullish engulfing candle right here, engulfing these two candles from 2 weeks ago. And it is, as it looks right now, the price has formed this bullish breakout above 0.61. On the monthly time frame, after the price has returned back down with this bearish candle, in the previous week analysis I have mentioned that I'm expecting that the price will fall down in value. But for now we have 3 more weeks until this month ends. As it looks right now, it is bullish and it is moving forward. So based on weekly and the daily analysis, which we see, currently we have a bullish breakout here at this price level, which is suggesting that the price will continue to rise value. But this bullish breakout needs to be validated, and that means the next week should not close below 0.61 in order to validate this bullish breakout as a valid one to continue to rise in value. Now, based on the daily analysis, we can see it is also a bullish breakout that needs to be confirmed on the Monday with the candle not going down below 0.61. If the price stays above, this will mean that the price will try to reach higher price levels, and that means around 0.617, around the start of this supply zone, and we will see what happens then. Because in the past we can see we are currently in the downtrend and the price is going against the trend, and it has problems in the past going above this price level. So we will see, will the price on the Monday return back down, going based on the weekly and the monthly analysis, which was expected the price will drop down in value, or it will stay above. I will share that inside the daily analysis, which is inside the trading community or the Telegram group. The link will be below in the description. So I'm watching this pair each day and see what's happening on the market. If you would like to check that, feel free to join, and that's all for this weekly analysis. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.